Take a look at the 2007 G6. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. A great-looking sedan with the personality of a sports car, the Pontiac G6 incorporates fine-tuned independent suspension, 219 horsepower V6, and 4-speed automatic transmission with driver shift control. Boasting an EPA estimated 33 miles per gallon highway, the G6 is a stylish, fuel-efficient sedan that doesn't sacrifice amazing performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.